Can you really rebuild trust as a leader once it's been lost, either through bad behavior, as we've seen sometimes in the press, or through some impact which is outside of the control of the leader?
Yes, trust is the key word here. And bad behavior and beyond your control are two different situations. So let's take the most difficult one. Is it possible to rebuild trust after you've displayed bad behavior and been discovered? So we know for sure that that happens a lot. It's in the headlines every day, and we also know it's a far more public world now for leaders than it ever has been before. So in cases of bad behavior causing a lack of trust within an organization, I think it's very, very difficult. Very difficult. Because the way trust is rebuilt, and you know it's very, very fragile, the way it's rebuilt is by consistent action over time that shows that you have the best interest of other people at heart. And over time is a long time before trust can be rebuilt. So it's very difficult within an organization to do that and to stay in the leadership role that you're in. If it's beyond your control, which is the second case that you mentioned, it's quite possible, especially if the facts are clear to everyone that it's beyond your control. For example, some of the instances that we've seen in recent years of accounting miscues where you trust auditors and you don't really have the fiduciary responsibility to check the records, and then something goes wrong and you seem to be a victim of it. It's quite possible to rehabilitate that by putting forth your own commitment to be more vigilant, to make sure that that doesn't happen again. Because generally, people are going to be forgiving if they perceive that it was beyond your control. So I think that's quite possible. Now, those comments all relate to within one organization. There's a second corollary question. Is it possible to rebuild a career? Let's just say that your bad behavior did indeed sink you in a given organization. I think it's quite possible to be introspective, to be able to show the mathematics of that, to be able to understand what that process was like, freely admit that, and then to rehabilitate through a period of action that shows that you took that to heart. I think that's quite possible.